In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get full screen in Figma. First, make sure your file is open. Open your design in Figma so you can see your canvas, layers, and properties panels. Once your project is visible, you are ready to switch into a full screen experience depending on what you are trying to do. Designing on the canvas, presenting a prototype, or filling your entire monitor in the browser. When you are designing and want more room to focus, toggle the interface off on the canvas. Press Ctrl and / to hide the UI panels and give your canvas center stage. This collapses the left layers and assets panel, the right properties panel, and the top toolbar. So more of your screen is dedicated to the artwork itself. It's perfect for detailed layout work or when you need to evaluate spacing and typography without toolbars stealing your attention. This is a toggle, so the same keystroke brings the interface back when you need it. If you ever wonder whether it worked, look for the panels to disappear and your canvas to expand across the window. If you are sharing an interactive flow, switch to prototype or presentation mode. Click the play icon in the top right corner of Figma to open your prototype in a separate presentation window. From there, click the Fit to Screen icon, or press F to scale the frame so it fills your monitor. This keeps your audience focused on the design rather than the editor. And it's especially helpful for user testing and client reviews. Fit to Screen is designed to respect your frame's aspect ratio, so it fills as much of the display as possible while keeping proportions accurate. Finally, if you are using Figma in a web browser and want to remove the browser's tabs and address bar, use F11 on Windows to make the browser itself full screen. This is great when you want an edge-to-edge view of either your canvas with the UI hidden, or your prototype in presentation mode. It helps keep your workspace clean and the focus exactly where it should be on your design. That's it. Thanks for watching.